ICES has recommended a 95% reduction in the catch of northwest herring in 2027. If implemented, the total allowable catch would drop from 3,269 tonnes to 153 tonnes. Let's explore why this advice is so low and if it's credible. The catch of northwest herring has been very small in recent years, so why is the advice going down? The assessment is based on the Malin Shelf Herring Acoustic Survey, the results of which have been showing a declining trend in recent years. This survey is part of a coordinated international effort to survey herring stocks across the Malin Shelf and the North Sea. On the western part of the survey area, west of the 4 degrees west line of longitude, herring are assigned to stock using an accurate genetic method. Application of these methods on the survey samples since 2014 has proven that northwest herring swim up to and across the 4 degrees west line of longitude. When a herring swims across this line, ICES considers them to be North Sea autumn spawning herring regardless of where they came from. They are then counted in the North Sea assessment. In some years, the herring migrate further northeast, resulting in a higher proportion crossing the 4 degrees west line. As the biomass in the Malin Shelf survey area decreases, the biomass in the area immediately east of the 4 degrees west line has been seen to increase. However, the assessment method does not account for the movement of herring across the 4 degrees west line. What will happen next year if more herring are west of the 4 degrees west line? The outcome depends on biomass in relation to the index trigger, which is currently set at 51,390 tonnes. If the 2026 acoustic survey biomass is just 1 tonne over the trigger, then the advice for 2028 would be a 20% increase, resulting in a catch advice of 184 tonnes. Confusingly, if the biomass is lower in the survey, for example 1 tonne under the trigger, then the advice would be for a 4,300% increase, giving a catch advice of 6,680 tonnes. There's no sense, logic or scientific justification for this, and it's an artifact of the complicated set of rigid rules that ICES has developed. It's just one of many issues with this stock assessment, and one of the many reasons why the ICES advice for this stock is not credible. Poorly founded advice undermines the industry's trust in science and does not promote sustainable management. We must not forget that providing catch advice is more than an academic exercise, and it has a real and significant impact on fishermen's lives and livelihoods.